Got a GameStop gift card and want to use it for your next game or accessory purchase? Adding your gift card to your GameStop account makes online shopping easier. In this guide, I'll show you how to add a gift card to your GameStop account. To add a gift card, log into your GameStop account on their website or open the GameStop app. Navigate to your account or profile section. Look for payment methods, gift cards, or wallet. You'll typically find an option to add gift card or redeem gift card. Enter the gift card number and the PIN, usually found by scratching off a silver strip on physical cards or in the gift card email. Finally, add the gift card to your account. The balance will then be associated with your GameStop account and can be applied during checkout for online purchases. If the gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you can pay the remainder with another payment method. And there you have it. Adding a gift card to your GameStop account is straightforward. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.